Hey Tristan, I have your quiz here, and I explain in the email a little bit too that you should be able to go in and retake quizzes up to 3 times. So if you feel like maybe you just made a silly mistake or um, you maybe forgot to answer a question and you want to redo that, you are able to do that on your own. But I did make a quick video here that shows the 3 questions that you missed. So when we look at the first question, this one asked for which quantities in the advertisement represent a unit rate. And so in this case, a unit rate is how much does it cost for one shirt. And so the diagram of the t-shirt doesn't show that, but the sign here at the top does. It says $10 per shirt. So you should have selected that from the answer choice. You also missed question 9. This one says that there are 12 boys and 16 girls in a classroom, which represents the simplified ratio of girls to students. So this one's a little different where we don't just take 12 and 16, divide by 4 and get 3/4. Your answer would have been correct if it asked for the ratio of boys to girls, but it asks for girls to students. So first, there are 16 girls overall. And there are how many students in the classroom? So we're going to add 12 and 16 together, we get 28. And now we need to simplify. So we're going to divide both of these numbers by 4, and we're going to get 4 to 7. So that's just understanding what it's actually asking you for in that ratio. And so again, it wasn't asking you to simplify the boys to girls that it gave you on the problem. It wanted girls to students. And then finally, the last question says that the ratio of girls to boys in the classroom is 3 to 5. Kevin says there must be 8 students in the classroom, which explains whether Kevin is correct. And Kevin is not correct in this case because remember, ratios can be simplified. So if we take 3 to 5 and we multiply them both by 2, that's 6 to 10. If we take 3 to 5 from the beginning and multiply them both by 3, that's 9 to 15. If we take, so again, that one was times 2, this one was times 3, and we could even do something like times 10, right? That would be 30 to 50. So we're not actually sure how many students are in the room right away because this is simplified. And because it's simplified, there could be any multiple of 3 to 5 in the classroom. And so this answer, Kevin is incorrect because 3 to 5 may be a simplified ratio. It doesn't mean there are only 8 kids in the room. It means that simplified, 3 to 5 is simplified ratio. So we have to understand that there could be this one here, this 6 to 10, which would be 16 students. It could be 9 to 15, in which case there would be 24 students. Hopefully it's not this one, right? Hopefully we don't have 80 kids in the classroom. But again, 3 to 5 is simplified, so we don't actually know that there are only 8 students in the classroom. So again, you should be able to go in and retake the quiz. Again, you do get 3 attempts before I actually have to intervene. Sometimes these videos are helpful and students want to just know why they missed the questions that they did. I know you can go back in and see which questions you missed, but obviously you don't get the explanation like I'm giving you here in the video. So good luck. Let me know if you need anything else.